Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a video on pretty much this customer had a inspection of his HVAC systems before he bought the house, right? So he came out here and you can tell, you see rust marks. That's a huge red flag that it's not draining correctly. So let's put the level on there. And you can see that it's not level, and the drain is actually on this side. So if it was slightly unlevel, if anything, if it was slightly unlevel, you want it to drain it this way, not that way. So inside, if we open it up, you're gonna see everything is just completely rusted out. So second issue here, besides that we're also going to correct, is this drain line. See this drain line, if you know the codes out here, at least here in the state of Arizona, you cannot you cannot put your condensation drain into your plumbing vent, right? You run the risk of having poop smells coming into the AC because this is a heat pump and it's actually sucking in air right there. So you can get, the smell of poop inside of your home. And you don't want that, because not just the smell, but there's other dangerous smells that you really just don't want inside of the house at all. So we're going to correct that. We're going to run that somewhere where it can drain properly, probably to this corner over here. And essentially, I cannot make these videos enough on how important it is to get an inspection on an AC before you buy the house. Okay, this person was able to negotiate with the old seller or the old owner to get some money back for all these corrections, because they got 3 ACs and all 3 of them have this exact same issue. They're uneven, they're not leveled correctly. They vent into the plumbing vent. They're not supposed to drain into that. And they've just been lacking maintenance. So we're going to go ahead and give it a good tune-up and get them as well set up as possible for the age and condition of this AC. We're going to do foam coil cleanings. We may even clean out the ductwork. But yeah, just want to show you guys another day how often this happens. I know I just made a video kind of similar to this, but you cannot just run in and believe the last person who installed these did their job right. So these have been in for 17 years, and for the last 17 years, whoever installed it did not install them correctly. And if they were calling people to get them tuned up, well, those people really weren't doing a very good job. Okay, because if you come out on a tune-up and you see something like that, then you need to correct it, because inside everything is all rusted out. And obviously you don't want to be breathing that. You don't want that damaging your coils, a whole bunch of stuff. Well, anyways, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Share this with a friend, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.